Want to install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account? In this quick guide, I'll show you a simple trick to bypass it. Let's get started. For laptops, press Fn plus Shift plus F10. For PCs, press Shift plus F10. In the command prompt window, type ncpa.cpl, then press Enter. Right-click on all your Internet adapters and disable them. Close the window and go back to CMD. Type oobe /bypassnro, then press Enter. Your PC will restart and return to the setup steps. Now, you'll see a new step from which you must select I don't have internet. You can now finish the Windows installation without a Microsoft account. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.